Here I've got BLU Vivo One Plus 2019, and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open the list of all applications, then find and pick settings. Here you should pick the very last tab, which is System, and then go to Languages and Input. Now click on Languages, and by tapping on Add a Language, you can select the one that you would like to apply. So as you can see, you've got plenty possibilities here, and let me choose, for example, Portuguese. Then pick the region, and now swipe this language up to make it a default one, so every language that is at first place is a default language. And as you can see, the whole device is in Portuguese right now. You can use it in preferred language. And obviously the icons, the applications, everything is in Portuguese. Then if you would like to change it one more time to some other language or go back to English, just pick System one more time, go to Languages and Input, pick Languages, and then tap on 3 dots 1 icon, which is More, then click on Remove, and then select Portuguese or any other language that you would like to delete. Tap on OK. And that's it. As you can see, now we are back in English, but obviously we can pick some other language by doing the same things. So just click on Add a Language and pick the one that you would like to apply. So that would be all. This is how you can change language in your BLU Vivo One Plus 2019. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.